I'm styling a new Inspire Closet showroom today and thought you might enjoy a look behind the scenes. Let's go check it out. All right, now if you are an avid golfer, I'm telling you, you are going to want to pay attention and get as close to the screen as possible, because when I open up these sliding doors right here, you are going to be amazed. And believe it or not, this is something that, we typically offer with most of our closet doors. This is our golf shrine. I mean, take a look at this. This is like, I would say, the Rolls-Royce of any garage. So this is for the avid golfer who wants to place all of his golf paraphernalia in the garage without having to constantly back into it because it's all leaning up against the wall. So here you would place your golf bag. You've got, your golf towel, you've got a place for all of your golf balls, and then all the little small moments that you don't want to forget because you're going to be out there in that hot sun. You definitely need a place for your visor and your hats. And I mean, listen, I've golfed before. Actually, I was a caddy as a kid, so I know how important it is to have golf tees. So we've even got a place for you to put your golf tees. And it doesn't stop there. This is that thing where I talked about before. It's all about a balance of aspirational as well as something that's functional. So the shelves in themselves are very functional, but we've added an AstroTurf on top that's a little more aspirational, just to have a little bit of fun. You can place, your golf shoes here, and you're all set and ready to go. And I guarantee you, all of your neighbors are going to be jealous. I mean, I'm jealous now just looking at it.